My correct person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. I welcome you to Favor's blog. Here we bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Wednesday, will be the 9th day of October 2024. Our topic today now, the meaning of life. The meaning of life. And our Bible reading for today, they come from the book of John chapter 10 from verse 9. Go shook body, enter 10. John 10, 9 to 10. I may be the door, and anybody will enter through me, God go save him. He will go inside and out, and he will see better grass shop. This thing wey thief they do, na to thief, kill, and destroy people. But me, I come so that people will get life. The kind life we full well. Our memory verse for today are from the book of John chapter 6, verse 35. John chapter 6, verse 35. Make we read them together. Jesus God tell them, I may be the bread where they give life. Person will come meet me, no go hungry lie, and the person will believe me, no go hungry for water again. Okay, make we enter the message for today. Don't forget, say I beg, may you like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you could get all our videos. Many people they seek to find out the real meaning and reason for life. I don't discover say the only thing where they give life meaning, na relationship with Jesus Christ. Without Jesus Christ, life not get meaning. Without Jesus Christ, man life be like boat where they push go front and back with the waves of this world. He go dey pursue different things wey won't give itself pleasure. He go want gather money, he go want get success for one field or the other. He go want even gain pleasure for one thing or the other. But soon he go discover say all of them not just for that time. E no dey really dissatisfy if Jesus Christ not join the matter. No matter how you reach, Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 10 to say, money not dissatisfy. For inside Jesus Christ, you get everything what you need for life and godliness. 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 3. For inside Ephesians chapter 2 verse 1, Apostle Paul referred to those people who they outside of Christ as people who not get life, they don't die for inside trespass and sins. He talked for inside verse 3 say that they fulfill the desires of the flesh. And if anybody don't live long enough, he or she go discover say the desires of this our flesh, they really bring satisfaction. At the end of the day, what people need to gain the joy where they seek, not to satisfy this desire where they say their heart, where they born to connect with their maker, will be Jesus Christ. Until they don't do this one, they will feel empty. No matter the cars, the awards, the titles, all the money for this world, no go feel the emptiness when they say their heart. Until they begin build relationship with Jesus Christ, their life no go remain the same. Their life could be meaningless. This is why when people become born again, they go suddenly they feel this inner peace when they don't feel explain. And after that peace, that joy go follow. And immediately, life will begin to make sense. Beloved, make Jesus your top priority. Not trade am for money or anything else, because it will profit you nothing if you gain this whole world and you lose your soul. Matthew chapter 16 verse 26. People will not get Jesus Christ go only they live their life of depression and wahala for this earth. They go also suffer for eternity for hellfire. The worst thing about the hellfire be say the fire no dey quench, the worm no dey die. Go they worry the people waiting for inside. Mark chapter 9 verse 48. This one, that eternal separation from God and the regret when you go get to choose to continue to live in sin despite the several messages of God's salvation when you don't hear. So save yourself from that torment. May you give your life to Jesus Christ now if you never do so, and ensure say you dey live only from now henceforth. And a small note there from our Father in the Lord, it will say, if you don become born again, make you use dis message take preach give person. Put the contact details of any of the RCCG parish for back of the tract so that the people go fit read am and dem go find minister of God wey dem go fit call for prayers and counseling. Use today devotional take win souls for Jesus Christ. Wetin be our key point for today? Our key point for today be say life without Jesus Christ e dey very empty. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget say the topic wey we consider today na the meaning of life. And this message na from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional. Na we for take the message. Open Heavens Daily Devotional na book wey be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, write. And our top issue of this channel of Favors blog. Now you take listen to today's message. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel on the notification bell so that anytime we will drop another video, you will be one of the first persons them to know say better to share. And once again, don't forget to like and share this video. We talk today, use today's video as form of evangelism to person. Until we come your way with another exciting video again, make it better for you, my correct person.